Hi everyone, this is Daniel from Team Israeli Instructor. Today I'm going to show you the Magwell for Glock Gen 5, the assembly and the unboxing. As you can see, we have a Glock 45 with the Magwell already attached. And now I will show you how to attach it to another gun. As you can see, the gun is clear and checked. And now we are moving to the unboxing itself. Look at the box. We have some papers inside with the instructions about this high quality material and the Magwell itself. Okay, so guys, after the assembly you can see the Magwell sits perfectly fit and it makes the grip really tight. It lifts your pinky up and closes all the gaps. You can see. Another feature for the Magwell, that if you have a magazine that's stuck inside, you have this hole that you can put your fingers inside and grab the mag outside. You see? I've tried so many Magwells, but this one is really unique and this feature makes it a great product. Thank you guys for watching this video. See you next time.